We're going to have Amy install this is our smallest darty. It's 5/16 diameter, 15 inches long. Up a little bit on the tip. There we go. She's just spinning it by hand. It's engaged now. Yep, see there? And she'll switch to that T-handle here. There you go. That's looking good. You can let go of that tip. There, that looks a little better. You almost got it engaged. Got to get up to that flat washer. Is the washer touching?
Yes, sir.
That's all you need. That's good. Alright, now hang your bird feeder on there. Now, I didn't time that one, but that's about a minute also. Alright,